summer outfit ideas featuring some of the crochet tops I've made over the years. Now, if you don't know, I actually share tutorials on how to make crochet tops like these, and I actually have tutorials for some of these. So if you want to check those out, those will be linked in the description box down below. But if you're wondering how I style these crochet tops, here are a few outfit ideas that may inspire you. So let's get started. Starting off with my go-to, which is this white maxi skirt. I could pretty much style all of my crochet tops with this white maxi skirt because it matches like the vibe, and also pretty much any color crochet top that I make since it's just a solid white. So I typically just know that if I'm going to wear a crochet top, I could pair it with this and it'll be good to go. However, for this video, don't worry, I will diversify the way I style the crochet tops. So I'm not just styling all of them with this white skirt. But anywho, so for this outfit, I'm wearing this green crochet top that I crocheted years and years ago. I think it was actually one of the first crochet tops that I made for my YouTube channel. So that's why the back is a little bit different than my current ones. Normally, I do like a crisscross design in the back, so it's more adjustable, but this one just has a little one tie in the back. But I think it's so cute. I really like the details on the bottom, but it's just like a simple crochet top, and I do have a tutorial on how to make this. I think I have it in a different color. I don't know if I actually have a tutorial using the green yarn, but I do for sure have a tutorial making this design. So we have that, and then of course we have the white maxi skirt, and then to kind of add a little bit more personality, something a little bit different than just a plain top and skirt, I also added this chain belt to make it even more beachy. If I had a similar necklace, I would definitely wear like a beach-like shell necklace too, and I think that would look really, really pretty. And also if I had some maybe gold bangles, oh, that would look gorgeous. But I'm in the process of actually replacing all the jewelry I have now with actual jewelry, because for years I've only collected cheap jewelry because I was like, oh, you know, it's the same thing, but I can afford the cheap jewelry and not the expensive jewelry. But joke's on me, because recently I found out that I developed an allergy towards cheap jewelry. So now all of the jewelry I have, I'm potentially allergic to, and I do not want to have to deal with the allergic reaction that I did when I found out that I was allergic again. So I have practically no jewelry right now. Otherwise, I would have definitely accessorized with more jewelry, and this outfit would have been an absolute 10 out of 10. Right now, it's about like an 8.5 out of 10, but still, I think it's really cute outfit. Maybe a little thing in my hair. Anywho, so this is outfit number 1 with crochet top number 1. Now let's do the next one. Okay, so for this one, I didn't style it with a white skirt. I styled it with some white pants. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I wear during the summer, just skirts and these kind of like beachy, flowy pants. So that's why a lot of them are going to feature those two things. But I think that it matches perfectly, and it's just like a comfy, fun summer outfit. So this is another way I would style my crochet top. And for the crochet top, I do not have a specific tutorial on how to make this one, but essentially it's just a simple crochet top, which I do have a tutorial for. So if you want to know how to make a simple crochet top, I highly recommend that you watch this video. It is very beginner friendly, and a lot of people, you know, find it very helpful. So what I did essentially is I followed this crochet tutorial, those exact same steps, and then just added one row of single crochet all around with the different color, which is the white, to give that extra little spice to the design, so it's not just a simple plain crochet top. And also, this is the back now. Again, after probably like 2017, I started making my crochet tops with the back like this so that I could actually adjust it and like cinch in the waist and have more control over the fit of it. So that's why the green one is definitely one of my first crochet tops, because pretty much every crochet top after I decided to do it this way, all the backs are like this because I think it's the best. I love me a good like corset style adjustable back. So anywho, this is another way I would style my crochet top with the flowy pants. Yeah. However, this outfit is a bit out of my comfort zone. I rarely, if not, honestly, I never wear denim miniskirts just because I'm more of like a flare person, or I'm more of a maxi skirt person. But I do have this skirt as well as some other ones, and I thought that maybe I would give it a try and see if it goes well with any of my crochet tops. And I think out of all of them, I know that it would match this one since it's just a solid black crochet top. And I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like the fit itself is good, but I would actually never wear this. But if this is your style, definitely pair your crochet tops with a denim mini skirt. I think it looks really, really cute on other people. But for me, skirts like this is just, I don't know what it is. I feel like I look horrible in them. I just feel like it doesn't flatter me at all, but I could definitely see why people love it. Again, whenever I see photos of girlies rocking the mini skirts, I'm like, wow, you all look stunning. But for me, it just, I don't know. But hey, this is just some outfit ideas. If you love wearing denim mini skirts, this is how it would look like if you style it with a crochet top. And again, I think it looks good in theory. Doesn't look good on me. At least it doesn't feel like me. This is not something that I would wear. However, this is definitely more up my alley and how I would style this crochet top. Again, with the maxi skirt and more of a bohemian feel. I definitely love the whole free spirit, earthy, flowy kind of style over pretty much any other style. So that's why I always go with it with the crochet top. Plus it just matches the vibe of a crochet top in general, at least in my opinion. So this is how I would style it, but I didn't want to just give you another, maxi skirt with a crochet top combo. But I love the way this turned out. Actually, I think I'm gonna wear this for like Halloween time. This is so cute. I'm loving these waist chains too. I started getting them earlier this year and using them in my outfits. And I'm like, it makes all the difference. Honestly, I think accessorizing in general just makes all the difference when it comes to styling an outfit. Yes, we are back at it with the maxi skirt, but honestly, it's really the only way I know how to style these crochet tops, at least during the summertime, because just in general, that's what I gravitate towards, either maxi skirts or, maxi dresses, or those flowy pants that I styled earlier. I don't really, again, wear denim skirts or really any denim during the summer just because it's so hot. So that's why I have so many of these skirts, and also why I pair them with crochet tops, because like I said before, I think it just fits the vibe of a crochet top. Very flowy and fun and summery. So for this outfit, this is the crochet top. I do have a tutorial for this one as well. So it has these little flower details, and I made the flower details in red, so that's why I'm wearing a red maxi skirt. And I also added a flower in my hair to really pull the look together, and I think it looks really, really cute. This is definitely one of my favorite designs that I've made recently, and I think it's super duper cute. But again, they're all pretty much the same exact shape, where it's like that simple crochet top design just with a little bit of embellishments, and the embellishment are these little flowers. So yeah, I definitely think that you can recreate it if you'd like. And again, I do have a tutorial for it, so you can follow that tutorial and recreate it for yourself. Of course, you can make any of these in any color that you like. You could also make this one in white, but also change the color of the flower if you'd like. And yeah, you can always personalize any of these crochet tops any way you like, and of course style them any way you like. These are just the way that I like to style them, and I want to share these outfit ideas with you if you wanted inspiration or just curious to know how I style all the crochet tops that I make. So yeah, this was how I style this one as well. And I have one more project to share with you. It is my latest project, and it is different than anything you've ever seen because I've never made anything like this before. So I'm excited to share it with you. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to share with you my brand new crochet project, but I completely forgot to film. I don't know what distracted me when I was filming that day that I just completely forgot to actually film the project. but this is a different day. My hair is not as nice, so I'm just gonna keep it back there. But anywho, I'm so excited to share with you my latest crochet project. I have been absolutely loving this crochet poncho for the summertime because it's just like the perfect little cover up, and it's very light and flowy and fun, and I'm loving the color. I've been really into teal this summer, so it's like the color of the summer for me. And again, the poncho just turned out absolutely adorable. And again, it's really light and flowy because I used a finer yarn than what I normally use. I usually use like this thick size 4 100% acrylic yarn, but this is, I believe, like size 3, half acrylic, half cotton, like very, again, light, flowy, soft yarn. And that's why the poncho just looks so fun. Also, of course, like the fringe and stuff makes it fun. But yeah, so this is my latest crochet project. I was so excited to share with you, and then it completely got distracted or something. I forgot why. I don't know. I have no idea why I didn't end up filming. Maybe I lost the footage. I don't know. I don't remember. But anywho, this is the project, Crochet Poncho. I do have a tutorial on how to make this. That I'll link it in the description box down below if you want to recreate it. Of course, you can recreate it in any color you'd like. But yeah, this is my summer poncho that I've been loving, and I, of course, paired it with my white skirt and then just a white tank top underneath. But I kind of don't really like the way the white tank top looks underneath, so I'll probably end up wearing like a nude colored top underneath, so it doesn't like distract from the poncho. Or maybe a teal. If I had a teal tank top, then it would probably look better. But regardless, it's a cover up, so I guess it doesn't really matter what you wear underneath. So yeah, this is the last outfit I was going to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for that weird ending where it's a completely different day. If you love crochet, please check out the rest of my channel. I share so many crochet related videos ranging from a beginner friendly crochet to more advanced, to crocheting with me, to crochet vlogs, styling my crochet, and so much more. So go ahead and check out the rest of my channel, as well as the videos I linked in the description box down below. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are at Krystal Everdeen. It's a fun time, and I would love to see you there. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye, and have a magical day.